In this week's portion, Eikev, Moses continues discussing with the people of Israel their religious mission and encouraging them that even though he will not be leading them into the land of Israel, that they will still find it to be Eretz Zavat Chalav Udevash, a land flowing with milk and honey. He tells them that as long as they follow the covenant, as long as they observe the commandments as taught at Mount Sinai and reiterated over their years of travel through the desert, as long as they fulfill their end of the covenant, then God will fulfill the other part of the covenant and ensure that their settlement in the land of Israel will be bountiful and fruitful and successful. It seems like a very easy formula. Just follow the laws and everything in life will be beautiful and blessed, if only that would be the case. And in fact, we find that even though the state of Israel has been established over 60 years ago, and that Jewish life in Israel has been almost restored to its temple days splendor, only missing the temple in Jerusalem itself, there are still issues. The land of Israel is a beautiful place, a place where it is not only easy to be Jewish, but it is a democracy, a leading light in the world of science and technology and education, etc. However, we saw last week what happens when Jews don't follow the covenant. There was the Gay Pride Parade in Jerusalem a few days ago, in which what the media is calling a Jewish extremist attacked with a knife several people attending the parade, ultimately killing one person who succumbed to her wounds. And there was another resident of a town in the West Bank where a Jew allegedly burned down a Palestinian house, killing at least the 18-month-old baby there. And so, though it sounds easy from the Torah portion that all we have to do is follow the covenant, we find that every day how difficult and challenging that is. And the only way that the land of Israel can literally be flowing with milk and honey is if all of the inhabitants of the land of Israel learn to get along with one another and appreciate each other for who they are, and that is all of us with the spark of God in us, divine creations. And if we can respect each other in that way and see the sacred in one another, then maybe we can experience in our lifetime how the land of Israel will be fruitful and bountiful. Shabbat Shalom.